Prior to performing the assessment, introduce self and verify the client identity using the agency protocol. Explain to the client what you are going to do, why is it necessary, and how to participate. Discuss how the result will be used for planning further care or treatment. Hello po ma'am, good afternoon. I am Claire Arbal Moria from Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies, your student nurse for today. Ma'am, may I know your name po?
Zara P. Italia po.
Sarah P. Italia. Ilan taon na po tayo, ma'am?
18 po.
18 po. Taga saan po?
Balanga City po.
Balanga City. Okay po, ma'am. Ngayon po, gagawin po natin is i-assess po natin ang skull and face para po malaman if may abnormalities and to avoid po any complication. Perform hand hygiene and observe other appropriate infection prevention procedure. Provide for client privacy. First po, ma'am, itatanong ko po muna kayo kung meron po ba kayong any past history po ng lumps or bumps.
Wala naman.
Wala naman po. Meron po bang pangangati po sa inyong skull?
Wala naman.
Wala naman din po. Okay po, meron po bang scaling? Wala po. Okay, meron po ba tayong dandruff? Wala rin po. Na dahil sa shampoo. Nagkakaroon po ba o hindi?
Minsan.
Minsan po. Ang mga kano po siya katagal? Tumatagal yung dandruff.
2 days.
2 days. Nawawala po ba siya kapag nag-iba kayo ng shampoo or may ginagawa pa po kayo para mawala yung dandruff nyo?
Wala naman.
Okay, nawawala naman. Kung nang kusa po. Okay po. Next po is tatanungin ko lang po kayo kung meron po ba kayong loss of consciousness.
Wala
Hindi naman
naman.
po kayo nawawala ng malay. Okay pa. Nagkakaroon po ba tayo ng dizziness?
Wala naman.
Wala naman din po. Ng seizure po?
Wala naman.
Wala naman din po. Okay po. Pananakit po ng ulo?
Minsan.
Minsan po. Anong po kung kaya possible na reason?
Puyat.
Puyat. Paano po katagal yung pagsakit ng ulo nyo?
1 day lang.
1 day lang po. Ano po ginagawa natin para mawala?
Natutulog po.
Okay, matutulog po. Okay po, next po is tatanungin ko lang din po kung meron po ba tayong facial pain or injury po.
Wala naman.
Okay po, wala po. Now, we are now going to proceed po sa ating inspection. Okay, una po is I'm going to inspect the skull for size, shape, and symmetry. Ginagawa po natin to kasi tinitignan po natin kung mayroon po bang deviation from normal na baka po mayroon po tayong lack of symmetry. Also, tinitignan po ba natin kung mayroon pong increase sa inyo pong skull size. Or also, tinitignan po natin kung mas prominent po ba ang nose nyo kaysa po sa forehead. And then next po is titingnan din po natin kung longer po ba yung mandible nyo. Kasi pwede po siyang mag-indicate na mayroon pong excessive growth ng hormone or increased bone. Okay po, now po as I'm going to inspect na po your skull. Okay po. Wait lang po, ma'am. Okay po. Since wala naman po tayong nakitang any signs of deviation from normal, you are under the normal findings po. Because our normal finding po is that rounded naman po ang inyong pong head. And then, symmetric naman din po siya. Also, yung inyong pong skull is smooth naman po. Next po is now we are going to proceed with the inspect the facial figures. Example po is symmetry of structure and of the distribution of hair. Ginagawa naman po natin to kasi tinitingnan po natin yung deviation from normal na baka po meron po tayong increase na facial hair. Tinitingnan po natin kung meron po ba tayong low hairline. Also, tinitingnan po natin kung meron po bang thinning of eyebrow. Also, tinitingnan natin kung may asymmetric figures. Also, kung meron pong exophthalmos, mixed edema, at saka po kung may moon face. Okay po, I'm just going to inspect your face po, ma'am. Your eyebrow. Okay. Okay po. Yung ating po kasing normal finding is that symmetry or slightly asymmetric. Also, facial figures po is palpable, is equal in size po siya. Okay po, since napansin ko po na medyo thin po yung ating eyebrow, dahil po ba siya sa lahi or meron pong other reason?
Sa papal.
Sa mana sa papa. So, bali sa lahi po siya, ma'am. Okay po. Hindi naman din po tayo low na hairline. So, ang atin lang pong sign nyo sa deviation from normal is yung thinning of eyebrow po. So,
Next po, ma'am, is to inspect the eye for edema or hollowness. So, dito, ma'am, tinitingnan po natin kung may periorbital edema po kayo or sunken eyes. So, pwede po bang patanggal po ng inyong salamin? So, yan. As I can see naman po sa inyo, ma'am, wala naman po akong nakitang periorbital edema or any sunken eyes naman po. So, it's normal po since wala po akong nakikitang edema. Po is note for symmetry of facial movement. Ask the client to elevate the eyebrow, frown, or lower the eyebrow. Close the eye tightly, puff the cheeks, and smile, and show the teeth. So, ma'am, pwede po ba ang patanggal po ng inyong? So, pwede po ba ang pataas ng inyong eyebrow? Then, pa-frown po. Huwag nang pa-lower ng eyebrow. And then, close your eyes po, ma'am. Tightly po. And then, puff your cheeks po. Ayan. And then, smile po without a teeth. And then, smile with teeth. So, dito po, ma'am, is tinitignan natin is mayroon po ba kayong asymmetrical of facial movement. And then, drooping of lower eyelid or eyelid. And involuntary facial movement. So, as I can see naman po as I can inspect naman po sa inyo, ma'am, is wala naman po ako nakikita asymmetrical facial movement and also involuntary facial movement. So, it's nag-under po kayo ng normal deviation which is symmetry facial movement po. And last po is to document.